Struggling to find the perfect soundbar wall mount to tidy up your living space? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Mounting Dream MD5420. First up is the Mounting Dream Soundbar Mount Bracket, priced at $25.46. What caught my attention was its unique design, allowing you to mount your soundbar above or below your TV, which is perfect for keeping things neat. If you want flexibility without compromising on security, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It supports soundbars up to 15 pounds, which means it can accommodate most popular models while maintaining a secure hold. The adjustable long extension plates allow for a 180-degree swivel, giving you more flexibility than typical fixed mounts. And installation, it's so easy with the included hardware, so you won't have to worry about drilling extra holes in your wall. With over 7,000 units sold just last month, you know it's a popular choice. Now, some people complained about its compatibility with larger TVs. Here's the thing though, most soundbars fit just fine, and the mount is designed to work with TV VESA up to 600x400. If you have a TV over 83 inches, you may need additional extensions, but that's a small price to pay for convenience. This is perfect for you if you're someone who wants a flexible, easy-to-install option that doesn't take up desk space. Skip this one if your soundbar is particularly heavy or if you have a very large TV. Honestly, for $25.46, you're getting solid value here. Now, if the Mounting Dream's limitations on larger TVs bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Perligear Soundbar Mount. Product number 2, Perligear PGSM04B. Next, we have the Perligear Soundbar Mount, priced at $24.47. The adjustable height feature caught my eye, letting you customize the gap between your TV and soundbar. If you want the ability to tweak your setup easily, this is a great option to check out. So why should you consider it? This mount supports soundbars up to 15 pounds and is compatible with TVs up to 83 inches. With tool-free knobs, you can rotate the bracket 360 degrees and adjust it to eliminate any gap, ensuring a clean look. It's all about enhancing your audio experience. Positioning your soundbar closer to the TV means clearer sound alignment. Already over 5,000 people bought this in just the last month, so it's clearly doing something right. However, some users reported that the installation instructions could be clearer. Now I'll be real with you, if you're handy it's pretty straightforward, but if you need step-by-step guides that might be a hurdle. Still, with a bit of patience you'll get it done. This is perfect for you if you love adjusting your home setup to your liking and want a sleek design. Skip this one if you prefer a more straightforward installation without fiddling. Overall, it's a good value at $24.47. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who really care about audio quality. The ZUOLACO Soundbar Wall Mount. Product number 3, ZUOLACO Soundbar Wall Mount. Coming in at $25.79, the ZUOLACO Soundbar Wall Mount surprised me with its sturdy design and wide compatibility. It supports soundbars weighing up to 33 pounds, making it ideal for heavier models. If you want something that can hold a bit more weight securely, this is worth considering. This mount is special because it adjusts in depth from 3.6 to 6.4 inches. Well, if you have a Dolby Atmos soundbar, this depth adjustment ensures that your audio isn't blocked. The anti-slip EVA pads also enhance sound quality by reducing vibration. Plus, it comes with all the necessary hardware for an easy installation that can be done in under 10 minutes. With over 2,000 sold last month, people are clearly impressed. However, some users mentioned that it might not fit all soundbar brands perfectly. Here's the thing though, it has a wide compatibility range and should work with most popular soundbars. But if you have a particularly obscure model, it's worth double-checking. This is perfect for you if you have a heavier soundbar and want to optimize your audio experience. Skip this one if your soundbar is lightweight and you don't need the extra support. At $25.79, it's a solid investment for audio enthusiasts. Now, if the depth adjustment feature isn't a must for you, the next product might be a simpler solution. ECHOGAR Soundbar Wall Mount. Product number 4, ECHOGAR Soundbar Wall Mount. At the same price point of $25.79, we have the ECHOGER soundbar wall mount. What really stood out to me is its universal fit and hassle-free installation. If you want something that works with almost any soundbar on the market, this one's a great choice. Why does this matter? It holds up to 20 pounds and has a sleek design that keeps your setup tidy. The 6.6-inch depth adjustment is a game changer for Dolby Atmos soundbars, ensuring that your sound isn't compromised by your TV. Installation is a breeze with clear instructions, and you can set it up in just 30 minutes. Plus, with over 2,000 units sold recently, it's gaining traction among users. Now, some people found that it might not be as sturdy as they expected, especially for heavier soundbars. But honestly, if you're using it for a standard soundbar, it should do just fine. It's designed for a clean look rather than heavy lifting. This is perfect for you if you're looking for no-fuss installation and a minimalist style. Skip this one if you have a particularly heavy soundbar. For $25.79, it offers solid value without complicating your setup. Finally, if you're really on a budget, you might want to check out the Nodiella soundbar mount shelf. Product number 5, Nodiella soundbar mount shelf. Last but not least is the Nodiella soundbar mount shelf, priced at an incredible $12.24. What caught my attention was its wide compatibility with various soundbar brands. If you want an affordable yet reliable option, this is an excellent choice. This mount can hold soundbars weighing up to 22 pounds and comes with strong adhesive to keep your soundbar in place. It's designed to improve audio quality significantly by positioning your soundbar either above or below the TV. If you're tight on desk space, this mount frees up valuable room. With 2,000 sold recently, it's proving to be popular among budget shoppers. However, some users pointed out that the adhesion might weaken over time. Here's the thing, if you're using it in a stable environment, it should hold just fine, but if you're frequently moving things around, it could be a concern. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly solution that doesn't skimp on performance. Skip this one if you need something super sturdy for heavy use. For $12.24, you're getting fantastic value. Now that we've gone through all 5 options, let's wrap this up. So let's quickly recap. We have the mounting dream for flexibility, the Perlagear for height adjustments, the ZOLACO for heavy soundbars, ECHOGER for easy installation, and the Nodiella for budget-friendly options. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the ZOLACO soundbar wall mount because it combines sturdiness with audio optimization, making it a fantastic choice for serious audio lovers. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.